Hey there, if you haven't noticed, I've been doing my videos like a day ahead because with the editing issues, I would much rather just have them the day ahead, and then that way I know I can upload a video. So anyway, yeah. So right now it is, what is today? Tuesday. I'm recording, so I'm getting stuff ready for Wednesday, but this video won't be uploaded till Thursday. It's just kind of, I think it'll help me out a lot. Tomorrow, I need my egg muffin. Hold on, where'd it go? Oh man, I didn't grab one. That's weird. Something ain't right. Did I set it down? Hold on, I gotta see something. So as I'm going through setting out my food, I'm kind of looking at, I'm still pulling out 2 meals. You know, I got family, like I said, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I've still got pulling out 2 meals. Lasagna's Monday. Hang on, I gotta think. Okay, so I have in there, tomorrow's Wednesday, I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I want to make sure for Monday I pull out my lasagna so I can have that when they have theirs. And the taco bar, I'll probably eat theirs, but I'll still bring my stuff in case I don't feel like, sometimes I look at something and I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not comfortable eating it, so I won't eat it. So I'll take my stuff just so I can have that comfort and peace of mind knowing that if I'm not comfortable with what they're having, I can have my own. So it looks like tomorrow I've pulled out one of my meals that I've made, and it is rutabaga fries and ground beef. And this is the 93% ground beef. So I am going to make up some little containers. And then I got my muffin for my breakfast. Down here. We're going to make up some containers to go with this. I'll show you. Okay. I'm going to have to watch this video to remember all the things I'm putting in here. But for the French fries, or the rutabaga fries, I'm going to take 2 servings of ketchup, which is going to be 30 grams. See if I can do this without getting it all over. Whoa. Hey, 30 grams. So that's going to be for the ketchup, for the rutabaga. And then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, which is 14 grams. So I'll zero this out, shake it down. This is on its last leg. I need to pick up a little bit more mayo. Now I'm making a mess on my thing. All right, come on, fella. 8 more grams. I don't think I have any more mayonnaise. Ooh, almost. There we go. So I'll just throw this one away. Pause while I go and add mayonnaise to my shopping list. Okay. So this is the ketchup and mayonnaise. That's going to be for the rutabaga fries. So I'll put a lid on that and set that back here. Now for the meat, I'm going to be using 2 servings of the ketchup. So I will have a total of 4 servings of ketchup on my chronometer. And I need to add some more of this to my shopping list too. Sorry, hold on, be right back. Okay, so 2 servings of the ketchup. I'm going to use 1 serving of the dill relish, which is 15 grams. Okay, well, half a serving, but that's okay. I don't know. I don't like a whole lot of dill relish. Well, come on. I already scanned in a whole serving. I can't just mess myself out of it. That's just mean. Okay, so I'm going to put this container in here. And then I'll do 1 more, or maybe 2 more. Let's see. Then I'm going to do 2 servings. This is all for the ground beef. If I have enough, 2 servings of the honey mustard. Hang on, I want to see if I have more of this. Y'all, I'm cracking myself up. Hold up. Oh, I do have more. Hot diggity. Okay. Woo. Okay. I do have more if I run out. So let's see. Well, how many is it? 30 grams. See if I can do this without making a mess. Okay. My attention span is too short for that business. So let's open this one. When the family's here, I'll show you what they're eating versus what I'm eating and all that good stuff. Oh, and I think I've got jicama on my shopping list because I want to pick up a jicama. Oh, shoot a monkey. I want to take a jicama with me so that I can nibble on that. I'm pretty sure it's on my shopping list. Listen, I'm going to pause you one more time because I want to make sure. Okay, it's on my shopping list. Let's see, I got this and this. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do, 2 servings of pico de gallo. So it'll be like having tomatoes on my ground burger. It'll be like onion and tomatoes. I said 2 servings, which is going to be 28 plus 28, 8 and 8, 16. I think it's 56-ish. So that's what I'm going to do. If I'm wrong, well, that ain't going to fit. Hold her, Newt. Better switch to something else. 0 this booger at. So we said 56. Look at me, I'm doing math on the fly. That's why I like this mild, because then I can use it. It doesn't have to be in a Southwestern style food. 54. All right. I'm at the tail end of it because it's starting to, the tomatoes are starting to get that wrinkly vibe going. I did not season it, my meat or anything, but that's okay. I can add some salt to it tomorrow. I don't need to add a whole bunch of stuff to it because we got lots of things. Now I just licked that, so I don't want to take it. I'll need a spoon. Listen. If I take something that is not in a sealed or a good closing thing, I will use, I'll put them in Ziploc bags just in case. I just don't want a spill in my brand new lunch bucket. You don't want a mess, not yet. So I guess I don't have to get the air out. All right. So we've got the little meal and my pico de gallo and the other stuff and my breakfast muffin. Close it up. And then let me grab my coffee just a second. All right, so I've got my protein coffee, which is the ISO Pure and the chocolate electrolytes and 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. So that is what I take in my coffee every morning. And yeah, so there we go. I'll put this in the refrigerator. This is out and ready to go in the morning. And okay, that's what I know. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. I'm wearing my Goodwill shirt and Goodwill pants. Hang on, I'll stand up and show you. That's the shirt. Sorry, someone walked in. Anyway, that's what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these pants. I like the color. It's kind of like a purple maroony color. But I'm going to have my muffin, and I will see you all at lunch. My finger bumped the button. Sorry. Hello, I got my lunch. Got my ground beef and my rutabaga. If you remember, which you would, but I didn't when I got it. I've got my honey mustard G-Hughes. I think I scanned all this on my chronometer last night. Wednesday Terry hopes that Tuesday Terry was nice enough to do that. Then this is the ketchup and dill pickle relish. So we're having a hamburger in a bowl. And then some onions and tomatoes. If I wasn't worried so much about calories, I would have some cheese in there too. That'd be good. But now I gotta mix it all up. And I did not salt it or pepper it or anything. I want to wait and see. Once I get all these things mixed in it, I want to see how it is first. Get all these good, yummy flavors mixed in together. This is a meeting day. I've got 3 big meetings today, and they're all going to be good, and I'll learn lots from them, but sometimes meeting days are like, whew, you got to shovel your lunch and go. Okay, definitely need salt. So, alright, now let's try it after we added some salt. Hamburger in a bowl, and the rutabaga french fries. Let's see how that works. I'm going to mix up. So when I used to eat french fries, I would take ketchup and mayonnaise and mix it together. And that's what I would have on my french fries. I knew some people that used tartar sauce, but I didn't want pickles on my french fries. So hopefully it won't burn me. Let me try this. They're soggy because I fried them and froze them, and now they're defrosted, but tastes good. Okay, bye. So something in my journey that I've kind of rearranged my thinking on is I kind of learned that things like bread, tortilla shells, french fries, chips, things like that, what they are is a vessel to transfer whatever it is to your mouth. You know, whether it's to carry a sandwich to your mouth, whether it's to carry a burrito to your mouth. I've rearranged my thinking to know and believe and understand that those breads, crackers, chips, they're all things to carry a vessel. They're a vessel to carry things to your mouth. And so that's why, I typically eat something in a bowl, like the burger in a bowl. Well, it just hit me because I'm eating these soggy rutabaga fries and dipping it in the ketchup and mayonnaise. And it's given me that old sensation of French fries, even though they're soggy. And so really the part I enjoy is not as much the French fry, but this part is what I enjoy. That and the taste of ketchup on my tongue. The taste of ketchup and mayonnaise on a texture. It's like, oh man, that's euphoria. So just for your own sense of, self-aware, but really things like chips and bread and crackers, all it is a vessel to get whatever's in there to your mouth. But you know what else is a vessel? A fork, a spoon, your fingers. So really that's just kind of a way to think about it is, if you're dipping something, if you're, using it to carry something from, like I said, meat and cheese on a piece of bread. So the bread and the French fry and the chips and all that, all it is a vessel. So if you can help yourself remember that, in the times that you're, oh, I wish I could have this, or I wish I could have that, you still could. Like I could still do this and have ketchup and mayonnaise in my mouth. And yeah, so I just wanted to point that out, that really chips and french fries and bread and crackers, all they are is a vessel to carry things to your mouth. So anyway, okay, bye. Hey there, it is supper time and we are having some ground beef with salsa and let's see, something rutabaga. Mashed rutabaga. So I am going to treat this salsa like a roast. I think that'll be good. I'm going to add some of the Boom, All Day Boom. Like I said, I'm going to treat it like a, kind of like a roast with mashed potatoes. That kind of concept. With mashed potatoes and tomatoes. I'll put some no salt in it. I'm going to put some minced onions in it. Ooh, that's a little bit extra there, Terry. I'm going to put some smoked paprika on there. All right, now we're going to mix it up and see how it tastes. I'm thinking, roast. No, I probably should say more like a stew. When you have stew, it's got tomatoes in it. So I'm thinking kind of like a hearty, no broth stew. I don't know what, listen y'all, what kind of meal would it be if it's beef and tomatoes and onions and peppers? Like I said, I know it's not stew because is there a kind of stew without broth? What would that be? Help me through here. Help my brain because I can't think. Because that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to treat it like a tomato something or another with like a mashed potato kind of thing with beef and tomatoes and onions. I don't know. What would this be? What's a beef stew without the soup, without the broth in it? Oh, salt. That's what I'm looking for. It definitely needs some salt. Let's just see. Yeah. I was just thinking like a, because the stew has potatoes in it and tomatoes and some onions. So that's why I was thinking of a stew. April! Hang on, April. Hang on, I'm going to show you something. Look, April. I got them in a Ziploc bag. Every time I make some, I put it in a Ziploc bag. I get all the fur off of it and keep it in a Ziploc bag so that way there's no smell or, well, whatever smell there might be. But I keep it in a Ziploc bag so they're safe. So, April, I'm going to send you a message and let you know they're done. Because I want to get them to you. Okay. Hey, was that a string? Oh, I thought I saw a green string. Anyway, okay, so my supper. That's what I'm eating. Ground beef, some chili, or, not chili. Ooh, that'd be good. Man, I have just got issues. That would be really good in there. Okay, so some tomatoes and onions, and then the rutabaga, mashed rutabaga. It's almost, it's going to be good. Dang it, there's too much. It's not fitting in the bowl very well. Oh! Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. That's the good stuff, ma'am. All right, that's what I'm having. So, all right, I'll talk to you later. Today's Wednesday. Bye. Here's my calories and macros for the day. Hope everybody has a good, safe weekend coming up. Bye.